Okay, I go on about powder coating, and the reason our Pullerbears aren't powder coated because you cannot powder coat something that's going to come in contact with hard surfaces like rocks. Because if you crack the powder coating, it will chip or flake, and you can get water between the steel and the powder coating. Now this is a Pullerbear invasive weed control trailer, and it's powder coated, and all this deckling was basically a waste of money because all the powder coating has started to flake. And once water gets in here, metal rusts and the powder coating just flakes away. Now I'm going to have to reskin this trailer because the sand, you can't, there's no solvent to get this off, you can't sand it. And you can just see everywhere there's an edge. Look at the front here. Powder coating. That's why Pullerbears are not powder coated. Powder coating usually is something you see with stuff made in China because they think it's easier, plus it's less likely to get scratched in transit. So no, we do not powder coat anything. It's all high gloss enamel that you can use or get from any hardware store in North America. So powder coating sucks, and it's apparently a go-to with our competitors. That's what they do. They powder coat theirs. So I guarantee you, when you flex the handles of their tools, the powder coating is cracking. Guaranteed.